Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications.
Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to prepare Katla Macher Jhol. So let's check how we are going to prepare it. To make Katla Macher Jhol, first we need to fry our fish pieces. Here we have already marinated our fish pieces with some salt and turmeric powder. Now we are going to fry them for almost 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, after 5 minutes our fish pieces has fried properly. Now we are going to take them out into another container and keep them aside. In the next step, we have taken the same karai with some leftover mustard oil. Now I am going to add 1 bay leaf and some cumin seeds into this. I am going to fry them for almost some 30 seconds, and after that I'll be adding some chopped onions into this. After adding them, I'll be frying them for almost 10 to 15 minutes till it gets little brown in color. Meanwhile, I'm adding some salt. Add salt according to your taste. Now I'll be cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, our onions has become little golden in color. Now I'm going to add some crushed ginger, garlic and green chili paste into this. And after adding this, I'll mix them properly. Now it's time to add some powder spices into this. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of red chili powder into this. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder into this. Now I'll be frying them all together for almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it has fried properly. Now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes into this and I'll mix them properly. Now I'm going to cook it with the lid on for almost 15 minutes till the tomatoes get little mushy. As you can see friends, our tomatoes has become little tender. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water into this and mix it properly, and after them I'm going to cook it for almost 5 minutes with the lid on. As you can see, it has started boiling. Now I'm going to add all our fish pieces into this. As you can see, I have added all our fish pieces into this. Now I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes with the lid on. Our Katla Macher Jhol is absolutely ready. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe.